Hi, hello, namaste. Today we are going to see how to prepare a yummy chicken noodles at home only. It is very healthy as well as very tasty. First of all, we see the ingredients. See the noodles. These noodles you can boil it by adding small amount of salt as well as 3 or 4 drops of oil in water and boil it. Then strain it, add with the cool water, then automatically the noodles are like this. And next, so you have to get ready with these noodles first of all. Next, other requirements: carrot, cabbage, chopped capsicum, chilies, and I am going to prepare chicken noodles, not only chicken here, mixed noodles. So that's why I have chicken. Get ready with the chicken. And next, onions for the final decoration as well as for crunchiness. We can chop the onion as well as coriander, and sauces, vinegar as well as soya sauce. If you have interest, you can add the chili sauce also. And next, ginger garlic paste, salt for the taste, and next a half tablespoon of dhania powder as well as pepper powder, as well as oil. All these are the ingredients for the preparation of chicken noodles. And I want to add egg also here because I like mixed noodles. So vegetables, chicken and egg. Let's start the preparation. First, on the stove, next add oil, once oil is heated, you can add, if I already prepare the egg scramble here. If you won't like that, you can add egg in the starting here itself, but I am get ready with all these things. Now I am going to add one by one. First I add green chilies, next I am going to add capsicum, then I am going to add cabbage. If you want to add any other vegetables, is your choice. Beans is also very nice if you want to add. Then you have to add carrot, see how colorful it is, all the three colors. See here, the chicken, small pieces of chicken. If you want to add boneless, it is good, but I won't like boneless chicken, so that's why with bone I take. Take the small pieces of chicken, cook it with small amount of salt, turmeric as well as chili powder and small amount of garam masala, and get ready with these pieces and add these pieces into this. And next I am going to add egg scramble, whatever I prepared. Due to this corona, we so many are having interest of tasting noodles, but due to corona no one is going outside and don't take that much of risk by eating outside noodles. So that's why you can prepare it easily at home and very tastily as well as healthy also. Okay, once you get ready with all these things, it is a 5 minutes to 10 minutes less time it will take. See, you can add all these things, and then you can add noodles to this. Once thoroughly mix all these things, you can add salt to taste for taste. And next, the pepper powder and dhania powder, whatever we already prepared here. And next, a small amount of garam masala. Then mix it. Then add small amount of vinegar and next a few drops of soya sauce. Take care of by adding while adding soya sauce, because it is too much of soya sauce also it leads to some different taste, so that's why a little bit is enough. After adding soya sauce and vinegar, mix it well and cook it in high flame for 1 or 2 minutes. Then Then off the stove. Then take it into serving plate. Okay, after take it into serving plate. Add coriander leaves. Add coriander leaves and onions. That's it. See how colorful it is. Linking green, white as well as orange color, chicken, onions. So ready. The yummy, tasty chicken noodles is ready. Anyone can taste. Manya, you want to taste?
Yes.
How is it? Tell me. How is it? Nice.